Hello everyone. Are you pondering how to choose the right bike GPS? Let's explore the considerations. Firstly, think about your intended use for the GPS. Are you primarily focused on navigation, ride tracking, or monitoring performance metrics? Understanding your needs will help narrow down the features you require. Consider the display size and resolution of the GPS unit. Opt for a display that is easy to read, especially in varying lighting conditions. A larger and higher resolution display can enhance readability, providing clarity during your rides. Battery life is crucial, especially for longer rides or bike-packing adventures. Look for a GPS device with a battery that can last throughout your ride without needing frequent recharging. Additionally, consider the power source, whether it's rechargeable batteries or USB rechargeable. Durability and water resistance are essential factors, particularly for outdoor cycling. Choose a GPS unit that is rugged and weatherproof, capable of withstanding rain, splashes, and rough terrain. Look for devices with an IPX rating for water resistance to ensure reliability in various weather conditions. Lastly, consider compatibility with other devices and accessories you may use during your rides. Check whether the GPS is compatible with heart rate monitors, cadence sensors, or cycling apps to enhance your cycling experience and performance tracking. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose a bike GPS that meets your specific needs and enhances your cycling adventures. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.